Friends, welcome to Abhivyakti India's Future Classroom. In today's episode of Numerical Ability, Part 5 of Ratio and Proportion, we are going to see few more questions from the same topic. The first question is, a man divides rupees 8,600 among 5 sons, 4 daughters and 2 grandsons. Each daughter gets 4 times that of a grandson, and each son gets 5 times that of a grandson. Find the share of each daughter. Now daughter gets 4 times that of grandson, and the son gets 5 times that of grandson. So the ratio will be daughter to grandson, that is equal to 4:1, and grandson to son, that will be 1:5. Therefore, the ratio of daughter to grandson to son, that will be equal to 4:1:5. How do we get this? We write this ratio as 4:1 and 1:5. So we multiply this to 4 ones are 4, then we multiply this to 1 ones are 1, and then we multiply this to 1 5s are 5. So the ratio of daughter to grandson to son is 4:1:5. So let the daughter's share is equal to 4x, grandson's share that is equal to 1x, and the son's share that is equal to 5x. But there are 4 daughters, so into 4, and 2 grandsons, therefore multiplied by 2, and 5 sons, therefore multiplied by 5. So this you get as 16x, 2x, and 5 5s are 25x, and this sum should be equal to 8,600, and therefore 25x plus 2x plus 16x, that is equal to 8,600, and if you add this, you get it as 43x, that is equal to 8,600, and therefore x is equal to 200. Since x is 200 and the daughter's share is 4x, and therefore daughter's share that will be equal to 200 into 4, and so that is equal to 800. So daughter's share is rupees 800. Next question is, monthly income of A and B is 5:6 and their monthly expenditure is 3:4. If they save rupees 1800 and 1600 per month respectively, what is the monthly income of B? Now here A and B's monthly income is 5:6. So we will assume that let A's income is 5x and B's income is 6x. Then their expenditure is 3:4, so let it 3y and B's expenditure is 4y. Now here we get the saving. Saving is equal to income minus expenditure, that is 5x minus 3y, and that saving, A's saving is 1800, so you get the equation 5x minus 3y is equal to 1800. Similarly, 6x minus 4y, income minus expenditure, that is equal to saving, so B's saving is rupees 1600. So if you divide this equation, second equation, by 2, you will get 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, and 2 8s are 16, 0 0, so it is 3x minus 2y is equal to 800. So this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. To solve these equations simultaneously, we will multiply equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3. So you will get this 2 5s are 10x minus 2 3s are 6y is equal to 18 2s are 36, 3600, and you multiply this by 3, so 3 3s are 9x minus 3 2s are 6y, which is equal to 8 3s are 24, 2400. Now we subtract this, so change the sign, so this will get cancelled, 10x minus 9x will be equal to x, and this will be 3600 minus 2400 will be 1200. So the x is 1200. We have to find B's income, so B's income is 6x, so 1200 multiplied by 6, 12 6 are 72 and 2 zeros, so it will be rupees 7200 rupees. So B's income is 7200 rupees. Annual income of A and B is 4:3 and their annual expenditure is 3:2. If each of them saves rupees 60,000, find the annual income of A. Now here annual income of A that we have to find, but the annual income of A and B is in the ratio of 4:3. 4:3 income. So let this be 4x and this be 3x. So annual income of A is 4x, annual income of B is 3x. Now their expenditure ratio is given as 3:2. So we will assume that expenditure of A is 3y and expenditure of B is 2y. From these two we can find the saving. So saving is equal to income minus expenditure, that is 4x minus 3y, and the saving is given as rupees 60,000. Similarly, as far as B is concerned, income minus expenditure, that is 3x minus 2y, and that saving is also 60,000. And therefore this is equal to 4x minus 3y is equal to 3x minus 2y. If you take 3x to this side, it will be minus 3x, 4x minus 3x will be x is equal to, if you take 3y to this side, it will be plus 3y. So 3y minus 2y, that will be equal to y. So x is equal to y. So if you put the value of x here, that is y, you will get 3y minus 2y is equal to 60,000, and therefore y is equal to 60,000. And since y is equal to 60,000, x2 will also be 60,000. And therefore we have to find age income. Age income is 3x. So 60,000 multiplied by 3. Sorry, we have to find age income. Age income is 4x. So it will be 4 into 60,000. So 6 4s are 24. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 2,40,000 rupees. And therefore the income of A is 2,40,000 rupees. Next question is, the income of Satish and Manoj is in the ratio of 7:8. Satish's income is increased by 20% and Manoj's income is decreased by 10%. What will be the ratio of their new income? Satish and Manoj, their income is 7:8. So let Satish's income be 7x and Manoj's income is 8x. Then it will be 20% more. Satish's income, that is 120% of x, that is 120 divided by 100 multiplied by 7x. So this will be 42x divided by 5. Similarly, this is decreased by 10%. It means it remained 90%, and therefore 90% of 8x, that is 90 by 100 into 8x. This will be the Manoj's new salary. So this will be equal to 36x by 5. So its ratio will be 5 will get cancelled, and 42 and 36, x will get cancelled. The ratio will be 42:36, and this is nothing but 7:6. So the ratio of Satish and Manoj's new income is 7:6. Friends, this can be solved in other way also. 7 and 8. Satish and Manoj's income is 7:8. So we will take that Satish income is 7, Manoj's income is 8. It is increased by 20%. So 20%, 10% will be 0.7 and another 20% will be 0.7. So it will be 1.4. So 20% will be 1.4. 1.4 plus 7, it will be 8.4. Now it is decreased by 10%. So 10% of 8 will be 0.8. So 8 minus 0.8, that will be equal to 7.2. So this is nothing but 84:72, and 84:72 is nothing but 7:6. Therefore the ratio of new income of Satish and Manoj is 7:6. Friends, I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel so that you will get updates right into your mailbox. And for any other reason, if you disliked it, please share your views through comments so that we will try to improve, because there is always a room for improvement. Here are few videos that suggested for you. Quicker Math, in which the Vedic mathematics is explained, part 3. Then the another video is of Andhra Bank PO 2015 solution and Andhra Bank PO 2015 question paper solution, part 1 and part 2. Friends, thank you very much. Friends, you might have enjoyed this video. Then go to thumbs up button and click. Then go to share tab and share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus and many more. And to get the updates right in your mailbox, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.